There is three main cutting techniques that are performed by people. However, they have differences in how they look. The one is a chop, which is basically if your sword goes directly down or anything. A chop is literally like chopping up onions. Your knife goes up and down and up and down. It does not move at all except going up and down. And it makes very effective for something that is hard like vegetables or even meat. But it's not effective when something is more mendable like your skin. So you have to have something that slices through it. Now the other thing is a saw. A saw is when you place your cutting edge on top of whatever you're cutting and you rock back and forth while putting pressure downwards. The problem with that is very effective for something like sawing, something that is extremely hard. But again, once there's something that is more pliable, it gets caught up. And especially the fact that for a sawing motion, you'll likely need something that has teeth like a sword, which means you grabs and it grips at an angle, which gets caught up in flesh. So that does not work. Now the third one technically gets split into two, which is the slice and the cut, but there is differences again. The difference comes between a slice and a cut. It comes at the angle you hold your blade, whether that's a knife or whether that's a sword. A knife, if you slice someone, basically means your blade comes in contact with the person. It is almost on their skin, and you almost do a saw-like motion while you turn your blade, doing a slice like this. It makes like this, but it almost starts like here. It is not a cut. A cut is specifically when your blade is at a 35-degree angle with the object that you're cutting, where if it comes in contact with whatever object, it comes at a 35-degree angle. It's not here, which is a chop or a saw, and it's not here, which would be a slice cutting down. It is at an angle like this, where you're pressing forward into a cut or into a chop while you're performing a saw-like motion, pulling backwards, meaning that you get an effective edge alignment, meaning that you do two things at the same time. You basically slice or saw at the person like this, but also you're almost chopping the person by having all of your force go forward into the sword. Doing a chop and a slice at the same time constitutes as a cut.